How to log out multiple Gmail account in computer on both Windows or Mac using any browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can log out of multiple Gmail account in your computer on your browser on both your Windows or Mac devices. Now it's quite simple and easy. First, what you want to do is open up your Google Chrome here, and once you open up Google Chrome, or you can open up any browser that you use, and then simply type in at the search bar gmail.com. Now simply type in gmail.com and enter it, and you'll be headed into the Google Mail. Here you can see it's loading up. Now here you can see I'm logged into my account, and if you are logged in, you'll get a similar interface. Now to log out of multiple Gmail accounts, or to log out of all Gmail accounts at once, what you want to do is here at the top left corner of the screen here, you can see around the mouse here cursor, you can see the username. Simply click on it here, and if you click on it, you'll find all your account here, and if you tap on it, you'll get an option to sign up of this particular account that you have. But if you want to sign out of all different accounts that you have, or if you want to sign out of multiple accounts on Gmail, what you want to do is simply click on this sign out of all accounts here. Simply click on sign out of all accounts, and it will sign you out again. Simply click on continue, and here it'll take you to Gmail here again, and if you open up Gmail here now, you can see it's been signed out. So this way you can sign out of all account on Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.